There is so much of the foundation phase maths curriculum in an Uno game.
How many cards do we need each?
8.
One less.
7. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
They have to understand that to start fairly, you each need an equal number of cards.
Pick up 2 blue. Pick up 4 blue.
You have to add 2 for each of these cards that are put down.
Just straight out the gate, you're killing me. Okay, well, I picked up 2, so you've got to go now.
I have 2 blues.
I see.
And now I have 1 blue.
Don't tell me, it's a secret.
They have to learn to match colors to put down similar cards.
Now I have to do it. I had to.
Did you have to do that to me? Didn't you have another blue?
No.
For each of these cards, you have to add on another 4 to your hand. So eventually you could be counting in 4s. You also have to make a decision about which color to change to.
What color are you changing it to?
Yellow. I just have yellow.
So yellow, hey?
Yeah. Uno.
How did you get Uno and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 cards? Ooh, okay, I'm going to try and make it hard here for you. I don't have a yellow, you got pink. And I don't have a 4, so I'm going to change my color.
When you have a change color card, you have to make a decision about the color that you want to change to.
I'm changing it to green.
Are you serious, Mom?
Yeah, I am.
Oh. I didn't care.
Pick up 2.
I didn't care, Mom. It's just 2.
With each additional pickup card, you have to calculate the sum.
2. Problem is now I don't have a green. So did you pick up 2? Okay, my turn. Sorry, Buster.
Put it out.
Sorry, Buster.
2.
Problem is I also don't have a yellow still.
I have a yellow.
Oh, you're lucky.
I'm gonna get it to red though. So if I had a yellow 2, I could change it to a red yellow.
I don't have a yellow or 7.
Mom, I'll make it easy for you.
Oh, thanks.
No,
No, it's your turn. No, I did pick up. It's your turn, Punk. Don't try and peek at the next card.
Do I have a pick up 4? I saw that box your time.
Look how many cards I got. And none of them are yellow.
I'm just putting down my note because I had a 5.
Last 30
killing me.
seconds.
No, you can't peek. You said
I want to see if you have pick up 4s. 2.
I don't have any pickup 4s, otherwise I would have put them down. I think I've got a 5.
They need to be able to match numbers so that they can put down a card of the same number but a different color when they need to.
So I'm back in the game, friends.
What?
Okay, block your turn.
When a block your turn has been put down, the other player has to learn to be patient because they can't make the move that they were planning on making, and they have to wait for the next turn to come around before they do.
Block your turn. Change direction.
Change direction with 2 players is similar to block your turn, but with more than 2 players, you have to wait a while for your turn to come around again because you've changed the direction of play.
Bam! No! How do you keep beating me? And I'm trying my best.
I was gonna let you put that down, but then I thought they have this in my last card.
Well done for being thoughtful, but you're still playing to win, aren't you? Because you're doing business with you.
Let's do another one.
For a kiss.
No.
Wait, Mom, I'm microwave.
This Uno game was one of many. I just recorded one game as we were playing that day and used it to demonstrate how many different math skills you can learn. I didn't particularly choose which game we were going to be videoing, and so this isn't even all the skills you can learn through Uno. But I hope you have fun playing together, spending quality time together, and improving your children's math skills as you go along. Here are 1 or 2 more skills that you can learn through playing Uno.
I can do something. 6.
Ooh, I can do something. It's 6.
How do you know they're the same?
Because look, 6 and 6.
How do you know that's not a 9?
They have to look carefully to see the difference between a 6 and a 9.
Because, Mum, look. That's up and that's down. And it's up and up.
And
So
but
it's a
what's the difference between that one? How do you know that's a 9 and that's a 6?
That one's down and that one's up.
Oh, so it's where the line is, what it's balancing on.
Yeah.
The tail or the head. Gotcha. You're quite right. E, you mustn't let me go. Sit flat on your tissue.
I want you to win one round.
E, I'm trying my best, but you're too good. You put that down.
Yeah.
Sneaky move, Buster. Do you want to deal this time?
No.
You don't
I'm
want to.
gonna win this.
I know, but do you want to deal? Do you want to hand out?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, well, let me just shuffle them in.
Okay, if you win, you have to give me 5 hugs. And if I win, you have to give me 5 hugs. But that makes no sense. It does. It means if I win, I win. And if I lose, I lose. I mean, it means if I win, I win. And if I lose, I win. No, that makes no sense. Okay, you ready? You know, kiss.